I go to school.
I went to school.
I will go to school.
He drives a car.
He drove a car.
He will drive a car.
We play cricket.
We played cricket.
We will play cricket.
She reads books.
She read books.
She will read books.
They watch TV.
They watched TV.
They will watch TV.
I eat rice.
I ate rice.
I will eat rice.
He drinks milk.
He drank milk.
He will drink milk.
We learn English.
We learned English.
We will learn English.
She writes letters.
She wrote letters.
She will write letters.
They live here.
They lived here.
They will live here.
I walk daily.
I walked daily.
I will walk daily.
He works hard.
He worked hard.
He will work hard.
We sing songs.
We sang songs.
We will sing songs.
She teaches kids.
She taught kids.
She will teach kids.
They visit friends.
They visited friends.
They will visit friends.
I clean rooms.
I cleaned rooms.
I will clean rooms.
He plays football.
He played football.
He will play football.
We cook food.
We cooked food.
We will cook food.
She sings well.
She sang well.
She will sing well.
They buy fruits.
They bought fruits.
They will buy fruits.
I open doors.
I opened doors.
I will open doors.
He closes windows.
He closed windows.
He will close windows.
We read books.
We read books.
We will read books.
She helps people.
She helped people.
She will help people.
They travel often.
They traveled often.
They will travel often.
I wash clothes.
I washed clothes.
I will wash clothes.
He fixes bikes.
He fixed bikes.
He will fix bikes.
We drink tea.
We drank tea.
We will drink tea.
She draws pictures.
She drew pictures.
She will draw pictures.
They collect coins.
They collected coins.
They will collect coins.
I wear shoes.
I wore shoes.
I will wear shoes.
He rides bikes.
He rode bikes.
He will ride bikes.
We visit parks.
We visited parks.
We will visit parks.
She likes cats.
She liked cats.
She will like cats.
They speak English.
They spoke English.
They will speak English.
I carry bags.
I carried bags.
I will carry bags.
He answers questions.
He answered questions.
He will answer questions.
We play chess.
We played chess.
We will play chess.
She waters plants.
She watered plants.
She will water plants.
They open books.
They opened books.
They will open books.
I buy apples.
I bought apples.
I will buy apples.
He catches balls.
He caught balls.
He will catch balls.
We listen carefully.
We listened carefully.
We will listen carefully.
She dances happily.
She danced happily.
She will dance happily.
They wash cars.
They washed cars.
They will wash cars.
I finish work.
I finished work.
I will finish work.
He paints walls.
He painted walls.
He will paint walls.
We watch movies.
We watched movies.
We will watch movies.
She makes cakes.
She made cakes.
She will make cakes.
They read newspapers.
They read newspapers.
They will read newspapers.